What's up, you guys? So today we're going to be doing a YouTube channel art. Super simple and easy. So we're going to be using Snappa.com. The reason being because it comes preloaded with a template. Unlike Canva, you have to upload that template. So you're going to want to start off by going to Snappa.com. And once you're there, you scroll down to where it says YouTube channel art. As you can see, it already comes preloaded with many templates, but we're going to start off with a blank one. As you can see, we have a blank template here. You can toggle on and off on the toggle switch. So for this example, I'm going to be making a cooking channel art. You can search up backgrounds by using the key search bar. And as you can see, there's many backgrounds to choose from. So we're going to be going with this one, with the cutting board background. And now we're going to add some text to it. We're going to call it My Cooking Show. Super simple and easy. And now we're going to add some elements. You can search up elements by using the search bar. So now I'm happy with what I see. Now it's time to download it. Make sure to title your template. Now we're going to go ahead and download it. Once finished downloading, go to your YouTube channel and click on Customize YouTube channel. And as you can see when you upload it, it fits on all devices perfectly, whether it be in TV, desktop, or a mobile device. And there you have it, guys. Super simple and easy way how to create a YouTube channel using Snap. It already comes preloaded with a template, so no hassle. So thank you guys for sticking around. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Until next time.